Hello, my name is William. Welcome to RUBEM Hydrological QGIS Plugin installation tutorial. So today I will present how to install the QGIS plugin RUBEM Hydrological. So in the repository of the GitHub from RUBEM Hydrological, you can go to the release page, and then you have here the RUBEM Hydrological release. Here we already present the last one provided, so you can download the zip file here, just waiting for the internet connection here, and also you can see other things related to RUBEM algorithm. So yeah, as we can see, uh, after to download the RUBEM hydrological zip file, uh, just waiting a second. So okay, so we have here now the download was finished. So the zip file it's here. We can go to the QGIS. We need to pay attention to the version. So here I'm using the version 3.16. So we need to use some version 3 upper than 3. So we go to the plugin and then manage and install plugins. After that, it's showing a page here to install plugins. We go to the install from zip here and click in these three dots, and then we need to go where was stored the file. So we have here the RUBEM hydrological plugin zip file. So we open and then click install plugin here. Okay, let's wait a second now when the QGIS install the plugin. Okay, this is the message, the plugin was installed successfully. So then we can close this tab, and to see the plugin you can see here the icon of the from the RUBEM hydrological plugin, and then to open you can click here in this tab, or we can go to plugins and then we will show here the RUBEM hydrological and then RUBEM hydrological. So we click and that is it. So we have here the plugin RUBEM hydrological installed on QGIS. Remember to install in QGIS any version 3 higher. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, and you can find the link to the GitHub repository to download RUBEM hydrological zip file in the description of this video. Thanks a lot. Bye.